Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're a small business owner and are always printing out labels on your printer, or if you love to label everything in your home like I do, then you definitely need to invest in a thermal printer, and especially this one from iDPRT. I love that I don't have to worry about ink anymore. Ink can get really expensive really quickly when you're always printing, but now since this is a thermal printer, I don't have to worry about ink and I'm saving a ton of money. I also like how this makes life so much easier because of how quickly it prints. I also really appreciate that the print quality is phenomenal. You can see here that it can read very well the letters. Even though it doesn't have ink, it does a really great job of printing. I also really appreciate the size of this thermal printer. It's so lightweight that you're able to move it easily to wherever you need. I like that I can have it here on my dining room table, or I can easily move it to my office and it can be on my desk. Also, installing this thermal printer onto my computer was really easy. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. I also appreciate that the customer service was so helpful. I had a question in regards to my thermal printer that I was printing out black instead of white, and they were able to answer my questions so quickly and efficiently. So definitely upgrade your printing game with this thermal printer. It's gonna make things so much faster. That's my point of view.